Hi guys, Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be going through this stack of ones and trying to see if I can find some star notes or any other rare unique bills. So let's get into this video. Okay, so right off the back we have a 777, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna set this to the side. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Trying to be thorough this time, make sure I don't miss anything. Let's see, 8021. Almost. If that 0 was a 1 or a 2, it would have been a trinary bill, but there's 4 numbers, so on to the next. $808068. Fingers crossed we find something good, guys. Sometimes you get something rare and sometimes you get nothing at all. Oh, it's a pretty crisp bill. See, this one's a little ripped. Let's see. A lot of these are faced the other way. Here's a nice crisp bill. $86262649. Wow. They're always so close to being something, and then you get 1 or 2 numbers off and it's nothing. Okay, that's cool. Okay, starts with 002. Okay, so this one right here could definitely be considered a birthday note. It would be year, month, day. So you have 1907-0231. It is in the form of a birthday. Usually we do month, day, year, but sometimes we can do, you know, the year, month, and the day. So this would be a birthday note, guys. Birthday notes tend to sell for between $10 to $15, depending on the condition. This is okay condition. I may be able to sell it for $10, but yeah, pretty cool. I'll set that to the side and look for more. A lot of these bills are just all over the place today, guys. So technically this would be an odometer note. If you can see, the 0 and the 7 at the end are slightly raised above all the other numbers in the serial note. You could consider that an odometer note. But I don't really think it's drastic enough to try and add it to my collection or anything. But just wanted to show you guys that because it's slightly raised above, it's an odometer note. These typically sell for between $5 and $10. $5,555. This has 5 5s in it, and 4 of the 5s are back to back to back. Nice. Pretty cool. So if this was 5555 and then 3333, that would be known as a quad double, and these sell for $50+. Or it could have been all 5s across the board, and that would be known as a solid note. Now those sell for a lot of money, guys. $1,000 or more. You could get one of these for a solid note. If it was all 5s, all 1s, all 2s, all 3s across the board, those sell for $1,000, even up to $4,000 or more, guys. They're very, very rare and highly sought after. Now, since this is 3 numbers in the serial number, 5, 3, and 1, this will be considered a trinary note. There's 3 numbers only. There's only 3 numbers that you see in this serial number. It is considered a trinary note. Depending on the condition, trinary notes sell for $5 to $10. Right now, they're going for a little bit more. Usually they sell for about $5 though. But as you can see, this isn't the best condition. So I may be able to get $5 for it. Maybe even 10, who knows? We'll set that to the side and let's look for more. Oh, wow. 0727 2725. So this would be considered a birthday note, a futuristic birthday note. You see 07 July 27th of 2725 or of 2725. So this is a futuristic birthday note. Pretty cool. Not in the best shape, so it wouldn't sell for much, but yep, let's set this one to the side. We're finding some really good finds today, guys. They're just not in great condition, but still pretty exciting. Oh, so these are sequential bills. They're in great condition, and it looks like they were minted right after one another. You see 5951, 3669, and 3670. So here are 2 sequential bills, and I could sell these, and I could sell these as a pair if I wanted to. Probably $2 a piece, but pretty cool. All right, guys, we're finding a lot of stuff today. I believe the last video we only found 1 or 2 things. So we're already doing better with this video, so that's exciting. Oh, we have our first star note of the group. Awesome. Let's straighten that corner out. So you can go to Star Note Lookup. Just go to Google, type in Star Note Lookup, and you can type this in and type in 2017A for the year and $1 bill, and it will tell you if this is a rare star note or not, if it is less rare or if it is rare. And depending on that, and also depending on the condition, you can sell it for a good amount, or you can sell it for $2. The stack's going crazy. Really nice crisp bill. Oh, it looks like we have another set of really nice crisp sequential bills, guys. Looks like we're getting closer to the end of the pile. Okay, so this could be considered a birthday note as well. 0906 0642. It would have been a birthday note from long ago. Someone's birthday. It would have been someone's birthday from long, long ago. But 0906 0642. It's in horrible condition, if you can see that staining. Some yellow stuff on it. So we'll just put this in the pile and skip over this one. Okay, guys, coming up to the end of the pile. Okay, guys, so that was it. I'm going to clean these dollar bills up and let's do a recap. Okay, guys, so we have the two sequential bills right here, 624 70, 408, and 9. We have these two sequential bills, 5951, 3669, and 3670. And then we have this star note. We have this odometer note. We have this trinary bill. We have this futuristic birthday note. And we have another birthday note. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. That is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you next time. Peace.